This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable photo tagging on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser opened up now and I am on X, formerly known as Twitter. To enable or disable photo tagging, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane down toward the bottom where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go to where it says Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety. Then on the right side pane, the very top, Audience, Media, and Tagging. Click on Audience, Media, and Tagging. It gives you three different options here: protect your posts, protect your videos, and the bottom thing is photo tagging. As you can see, mine is currently turned off. I'm going to click on it though. It has a little toggle off to the right here to turn it on or off. Photo tagging. Allow people to tag you in their photos and receive notifications when they do so. To enable photo tagging, you would toggle that on. Then it gives you some more options. Anyone can tag you, or only people that you follow can tag you. You could toggle one of those on. But to disable it, you just toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable photo tagging on X. Thanks for watching.